Yeah, that's the breaks. Clap your hands, everybody. This is Curtis Blow, saying these are the breaks. You heard? Clap your hands, everybody. Yeah. Clap your hands, everybody. You know I got what it takes. 'Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and y'all need to know that these are the breaks. You know I got what it takes. Yeah, these are the breaks. On a bike, it breaks on the turnpike. Breaks that make the MC rock the mic. Breaks of chance to love and romance. Breaks to get you on the floor and dance. Breaks to get you on the floor and dance. And these are the breaks. Break it up, break it up, break it up. Yeah, shit, y'all. Break it up. Beat, y'all. Yeah, break it up. So unique, y'all. Break it up. And you don't stop, and you don't stop. Party people, I just wanna say that you made me what I am today. We got old school pumping in the parking lot. We're gonna make it hot, we're gonna hit the spot. Because nowadays there's no time to waste. So party people in a place, the bass is in your face. You bid at the door just to have fun. And I thank you for making the breaks number one. Number one. And I thank you for making the breaks. And I thank you for making the breaks number one. And I thank you for making the breaks number one. Yeah, shit, y'all. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yeah, shit, y'all. And you don't stop. That body rock. Yeah, shit, y'all. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yeah, shit, y'all. And you don't stop. That body rock. Clap your hands, everybody. Clap, 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 clap your hands, everybody. Clap, 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 clap your hands, everybody. You know I got what it takes. 'Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and y'all need to know that these are the breaks. Breaks on a car for a superstar. Breaks to make you go real far, yo. Breaks to lose and breaks to win. And these here breaks will never end. And these here breaks will never end. And these are the breaks. Break it up, break it up, break it up. Party people, break it up. Sing break it up. Everybody, break it up. Check this out. 1, 2. These are the breaks. This is Curtis Blow. Shouting out Ace Skills, Dr. Luke, Crafty Cuts. Going out to Money Making Manhattan, the Boogie Down Bronx. All my peoples out in London, Finger Licking Records. Yeah. And I'm Curtis Blow, and I still want you to know these